أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Capital of Asian countries. Famous questions. What is the capital of Armenia? The correct answer is Yerevan is the capital of Armenia. Armenia capital is Yerevan. What is the capital of Jordan? The correct answer is Amman. Amman is a capital of Jordan. Capital of Armenia is Yerevan. Capital of Jordan is Amman. Capital of Kazakhstan. The famous question. Astana. Capital of Kazakhstan is Astana. Capital of Armenia is Yerevan and capital of is Astana. Capital of Kyrgyzstan. The Bishkek. Capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. Capital of Lebanon is very famous question. Capital of Lebanon is Beirut. Capital of Maldives. The famous question. Malé. Malé is the capital of Maldives. Capital of North Korea. Pyongyang is the capital of North Korea. Capital of Philippines. Manila. Capital of Philippines is Manila. Capital of Russia. Moscow. Very famous question. Capital of Russia is Moscow. Capital of South Korea. Seoul. Capital of South Korea. Seoul. North Korea. Pyongyang. Capital of Tajikistan. Dushanbe. Capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe. Capital of Turkey. Very famous question. Capital of Turkey is Ankara. Of Turkmenistan. Ashgabat. Ashgabat is the capital of Turkmenistan. Capital of Uzbekistan. Capital of Uzbekistan. Tashkent. Capital of Vietnam. Capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. Of Yemen is Sanaa. Sanaa is the capital of Yemen. Capital of Bhutan. Capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Capital of Indonesia. Jakarta. Capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Capital of Israel. Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. Capital of Oman. Muscat. Capital of Oman is Muscat. Capital of Qatar. Doha. Capital of Qatar is Doha. Capital of Oman is Muscat. Capital of Syria. Dimashq. Capital of Syria is Dimashq. Capital of Iraq is Baghdad. Of Singapore. Singapore. Of Georgia. Tbilisi is the capital of Georgia. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thank you very much.